multiple catch clauses. In this block of code, can you tell which statements throw exceptions? Can you think? The statements int b equal to 42 divided by a and c of 42 equal to 99 throws exception. The statement int b equal to 42 divided by a will throw exception if the value of a is 0. And the statement c of 42 equal to 99 will throw exception because the array C has only one element at index 0. But we are trying to access index 42 in the array C which is not present. Therefore, it throws array index out of bounds exception. Right? Yeah. So let us place this block of statements inside the try block. And for try block, we need to write corresponding catch block. Since the statements inside the try block might throw two different types of exceptions, we need to write catch block for each exception type, that is, one catch block for arithmetic exception and one catch block for array index outer bound exception, right? Now, if we run the program, what output we might get? Can you think? The output is as follows. You got the same output? Let me discuss. Inside main method, args.length is 0. Since args array is empty, this 0 is assigned to variable a. Then we are printing the value of a, which is 0, and then we are trying to divide 42 by 0, which throws arithmetic exception, and the control moves to the catch block and the statements inside the catch block gets executed, which prints divide by 0 colon description of arithmetic exception, and then the control moves after the catch block, which prints after try and catch blocks, right? Yeah. So let me run the program again with one command line argument, that is test arg. Can you think what output we might get? The output is as follows. You got the same output? Let me discuss. The command line argument test arg is passed to the array args that is present as an argument in the main method. Therefore, the array args has one element called test arg. Inside the main method, args.length is 1, since the length of args array is 1. This one is assigned to variable a. Then we are printing the value of a, and then we are trying to divide 42 by 1, which does not throw any exception. And then we are creating and initializing an array called C. Next, the statement C of 42 equal to 99 throws exception, that is array index out of bounds exception, and therefore control moves to the catch block and statement inside the catch block gets executed, which prints array index OOB colon description of array index outer bound exception, and then the statement after the catch block gets executed, that is after try and catch block, right? So let me do small modification to this program. Here I have changed arithmetic exception to exception. Now if I compile the program, it throws unreachable code error for catch statement that includes array index outer bound exception type. Can you think why? Here, exception in catch block is a superclass of array index outer bounds exception. Since it is superclass, it catches all exceptions of its subclass. Therefore, the catch statement that includes array index outer bound exception type is not reachable, right? Yeah. So in order to resolve this compilation error, first we need to write array index outer bound exception type in catch block followed by exception in the next catch block, right? Note, this program can be written like this because exception is a superclass of arithmetic exception and array index outer bound exception. But this is not an example of multiple catch clause because we have written only one catch clause, right? So finally, I would like to summarize. A try block can have more than one catch block or catch clause. When we write multiple catch blocks or catch clause, first subclass type should come followed by the superclass, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.